In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code for StubHub. First of all, head over to the event for which you want to buy a ticket. Then you're going to select how many tickets you want to buy and click on Continue. From the right side of your screen, select the section for which you want to buy the ticket and then click on Select. After that, a new tab will open, and as you can see, you only have 10 minutes to complete the purchase. Click on Start. In the new window, first of all, click on Continue. Then you're going to select if you're buying the ticket as a gift and select the team you are rooting for. Then click on Continue. In the payment section, you will be able to select different payment methods for how you want to pay for the ticket. Scroll down until you see the gift card section. In the gift card section, you will see an Add option. Click on it and then click on Gift Card. In this box, type in the promo code you have. Even though it's labeled as a gift card, this is the section where you have to enter your promo code. After adding it, simply click on Add. The discount will be applied to your total payment. After that, select your payment method for the remaining payment and click on Continue to complete your purchase. And this is how you can add a promo code on StubHub.